This is a new 2013 Peterbilt 348 with a Nice 2,000-gallon tank bed. This truck has a Paccar PX-8 330 horsepower engine, an Allison 3500 RDS automatic transmission, a 90-gallon fuel tank, and has 22.5 tires all around. The Nice body has a 2,000-gallon diesel tank, hot shift PTO, 4 100-gallon oil product tanks, and a hydraulic 29 CFM air compressor. For more information, call Curtis Stoner at Rush Truck Centers Houston, 888-718-3835. Stop by our location at 10200 North Loop East or visit our website at www.rushtruckcenters.com/Houston.